I'm going to show you how to get perfectly tight, neat double crochet stitches or US single crochet stitches for all your amigurumi and toy crocheting. So usually when you do a double crochet, which I'll show you here, single crochet, you go through the work, yarn around the hook and pull through like so. And that results in a fairly neat finish, but can you see I've got quite a few gaps here and there's just a bit of a bumpy finish to the piece. If you do the yarn under hook technique, you get a much neater finish with far fewer holes and gaps in your work, and you get a nice little cross effect here. So all of our Crochet Society patterns use this technique. So exactly the same yarn and exactly the same hook, but to get this better finish to your work, hook through the stitch like so. Now instead of doing yarn around the hook to do your double crochet, we're going to put the yarn under the hook like so. So you just need to turn your hook slightly a different direction and pull it through and finish as normal around the hook. So I'll show you again, through the work, don't go around the hook, go under the hook and pull through, and once more under the hook and finish. Can you see the difference there? So exactly the same hook and exactly the same yarn, but much neater finish on this one with the yarn under technique.